Well, it goes up and down the road. All the lights work, it stops, it turns both ways. Not all that's left to do is cosmetics. I've kind of started, I did paint the wheels, but I had to tear the dashboard all apart, try and find all the melted wires, and let's take a look at what I've done this week. Alright, well, as you know, we put the master cylinder on. I had my lovely assistant help me with the bleeding of the brakes. I changed the oil. Got the carburetor working a little bit better. I didn't swap it out. I'm still kind of messing with it. Tightened up the belts. That's pretty much it under here. This was my solution for the ugly wheels. I just took them off and painted them. At least they're the same color now. I got everything. All the gauges working. Turn signals, flashers, heater, wipers, headlights. I have one tail light out, but the thing has 9 tail lights, so I think I can live with that. Now the job is to just clean it. It is just an absolute filthy, I mean, the steering wheel has mold all over it. Get the door jambs, get all the spider webs out of the door jambs. It needs a good proper bath, but it runs and drives. Sounds good. That's about all I got for you today. Next thing I'm going to do is strip all this decal crap off this bumper. I'm going to make a couple inserts here, and then I'm going to paint it up. I think I have a brand new roller fairlead that I can put on it to make it look even better. But yeah, it's going to get a bath. I'm going to do the front bumper. I'm going to go ahead and take the wood racks off. I want to do something with them, and I don't really need them for a while, so I'll probably just take the racks off for now. The next job, first job this truck has, is going to be hauling water to the property. So that'll probably be in the next couple of weeks, hopefully. So that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.